Hello, everybody. I think most of you know I've been doing a lot of adulting lately. Stuff with Mom's house and things like that. So I took myself out the other day, and Jeff had given me some Christmas money, so I went shopping. Totally not an adult thing, and I don't need anything, but I wanted to show you these because these were in Michael's Christmas, and Joann's does this too. They get these packs in special packs of paint in for holidays, and they'll probably have Easter ones out eventually, that kind of thing, and they have, you know, like holiday colors in them. And these were 70% off. So like these were only $2.99, and 70% off, you know, makes them, I think they were less than $1, if I remember right. $1.05 maybe for 4 of them. I won't use the green as much, but I go through black and white pretty fast. And I use a fair amount of red. So I got 2 packages of those because for that price, I can't even buy the cheap 50-cent thing price. So, and then they had metallics. This is gold, silver, and pearl. And these packages were a little more expensive, but at 70% off, they were still cheaper than you can buy the cheaper craft paint. Now, this is the cheaper craft paint, but for that price, I was more than willing to buy a little extra and get these. I just thought that they were really a good deal. So then these just called my name, and believe it or not, they were, this is Thanksgiving, they were in the Halloween Thanksgiving stuff, and they were 80% off of the $5.99. So you kind of got to look at that stuff. You got to dig through it always. You know, it always seems like there's, like it's just, you know, bundled up. But it's not something I needed, but it was something that was so pretty that I thought, oh yeah, I'm going to use those. So I thought, pull one out. Especially things how they have, the design is separated, so it will be easy to put down on something. It will be easy to take this apart and use it. And this is a big napkin. So I was real pleased to get those for 80% off. And I have been wanting this couple of new sets of colors of the Archival Inks. And this is a set I didn't have, and I had a coupon. So I got these. This was Dusty Concord, Faded Jeans, Mermaid Lagoon, and Peeled Paint. And I know that these are colors I will probably use a lot. The turquoise and purple, this peeled paint, all of these colors are colors that I'm pretty sure I'll use quite a bit. And, you know, I was in Joann's Christmas, and they had ribbons on sale, and these were just too pretty. This one is coppery colored. Let me see if I can you see them? And gold. And then this one, and I just had to have this one. This one was pretty. There was one that was open, or I wouldn't have noticed it. This one is, okay, come on now, give me the end. It's almost like it is torn on the edge, but it's not. I can't find the end. See, it looks like ragged on the edge. And these were all in the Christmas ribbons, so they were all on sale. That's all. I mean, I didn't need ribbon, but we're also in one of the collabs I'm doing, we're doing a gold project, so I'm hoping this gold ribbon works for that. Let's put those back so that I can get them off the table, and then I'll show you. Then, of course, I had to go to the thrift store, because a couple of thrift stores. These were just too cute. They are 52 silly things to do when you're blue. And they're pretty cards. They're really fun cards. And you know, sometimes you need an encouragement to go do something silly and fun, like instead of shopping. They're by Lynn Gordon, and they're illustrations by Susan, and there is no way I can say this name. It's Synarski. But a matinee movie. Pull the movie listings out of the paper and see what matinees are playing. I haven't been to the movies in so long, it's unreal. Hidden coupons. On different pieces of paper, write out 10 little treat coupons for yourself and hide them in places that you won't come across for a while. Places you're likely to forget about. Okay. There's just all kinds. Ice cream in bed. Okay, well, I never eat ice cream in bed, but pick out a junky novel, get a pint of your favorite ice cream, or if you prefer, some sugar-free self-indulgence, and allow yourself an afternoon, or however much time you can take, of sheer, unforgivable, guilt-free, slothful decadence. In other words, take a nap, stay in your pajamas, you know, just fun things. Toy store budget. Okay. Give yourself a budget of $5 and head to the toy store or the mall to buy yourself a gift. You could even decide to use your allowance to get a gift for somebody else. Remember, it's $5, not a penny more. So those, they just look like fun. 10 things to do. Write down 10 places you've wanted to go and things you've wanted to do, but just haven't gotten around to it. Then look at the calendar and put a date next to each item on your list. Make sure you're doing something you enjoy once a week. So those just looked like so much fun. And you know, sometimes we get in sort of in a rut trying to do all the things we're supposed to do, and we forget to have fun. And even shopping wasn't as much fun because I was just out by myself. I should have called my friend Pacola and said, ask her if she wanted to go shopping, but I didn't plan it ahead of time, and I should have. And that was at the thrift store, and then I was in the other thrift store that let's get you a little bit closer with these. The other thrift store that has really cool books. And, that didn't come in like I thought it would. Guys, I don't know. I hope this is filming. I'll have to check it in just a minute. Anyways, I found these books, and they were very interesting. Now, you got 4 for so much, and there was a book of puzzles that I gave to Mom already. I just really liked this, the gratitude, the sayings. This is a very interesting little journal. Don't know that I'll write in it, but it was something to look at. When it rains, look for rainbows. When it's dark, look for stars. You're supposed to, every year, write on that date, write down these things, and the things you're thankful for, and things you remembered from today, and people whose company you enjoyed, that kind of thing. When nothing is sure, everything is possible. That was just, it was just something I picked up because I thought it was very interesting. Then these, of course, you know me, Collage Discovery Workshop by Claudine Helmuth, and they're very interesting. Now, some of the things I know already. Sometimes you pick up a book and it's got stuff in it that yes, you know, but they're interesting to look at and see how someone else does things. The other thing is that I don't mind spending money on a book when it's at the thrift store. It's not the same as spending, how much was this book originally? This book was $23 originally, and I definitely didn't pay that. I don't remember. I don't know whether they were $4 for something. So, and usually their books are $1 or $2 a piece. So whatever it was not too bad. And there was a lot of assemblages in these books, but I thought they were very interesting. Then this one is by, I think, Josie Cinconi. And it again is very interesting, has some interesting things in it. And I haven't read them completely, but you know, I've gone through them a couple of times just looking at them. And I don't do so much with frames and things like that, but they have the same kind of idea that you can put in a book. And then there was some very interesting book covers and just different things that looked very interesting. So I got those. Then these just called my name. I don't know why. I have no clue. They just called my name. And I'm going to take them out. The other thing is they were on special. They were half price, so I only paid $1 for them. But they looked really interesting. So let's take one out and take a look and see if I'm still as intrigued by them. These are file folders, but they have pages inside the file folder. It just looked like the perfect thing to start a lap book in. So let's see if we can get one out. There's actually only 5 of them in here, I think. Yeah, there's only 5. Okay. Come on. I guess I should have taken it out before I got on camera, huh? Oh, okay. Interesting. All right. They're, of course, legal size, so they're the big ones. But what happens is that, oh, they've got an expandable spine too. Okay, so they've got a pleated spine. So they expand. And then I knew they had these. Now see, they've got these little fork things where you can put stuff in. But they have inside pages. And that just kind of looked like, oh, that's a lap book waiting to happen. Even if I didn't make it this big, if I cut it down, ooh, cut it down in half and then put back to back. Ooh, that would be so fun. So, yeah. Ooh, that's interesting. Anyways, I got those. So, guys, I hope this little haul was interesting to watch. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I got some Christmas money from Jeff, and so I went out to spend it. Anyways, guys, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.